Warehouse solution design is evolving. Traditionally, engineers spend hours manually configuring pallet bays and racking layouts, calculating heights, counting pallet types, and adjusting layouts to fit warehouse constraints. This concept demonstrates how AI and machine learning can automate that process. The process begins with an inventory input, containing different pallet and carton types, their dimensions, and quantities. These inputs form the foundation for AI analysis, representing the real storage demand of the warehouse. Next, the solution design engineer defines the physical constraints of the warehouse, such as clear ceiling height, bay width, and structural limits. These boundaries ensure that every AI-generated configuration remains realistic and operationally feasible. Once parameters are set, the AI engine runs multiple simulations, testing different stacking heights, pallet positions, and bay configurations. Through machine learning, the system references historical configuration records as a starting seed to guide optimization. The goal is to achieve maximum storage capacity using the fewest bays possible. After the analysis, the tool will display the optimal configuration, including the number of bays, tiers per bay, and height allocation. This visual layout allows the engineer to clearly see how the proposed design will look in practice. The result is a data-driven, AI-optimized warehouse design, faster to generate, easier to adjust, and highly space-efficient. Solution design engineers can now focus on validation and implementation, rather than manual calculations. AI isn't replacing warehouse engineers, it's enhancing their design intelligence. Would you use a tool like this in your workflow? Leave your thoughts in the comments below.